Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw Opila the bird from Garden of Banban. So today we're going to start off Opila the bird with the eyes. So we're going to do a little circle eye right here, connecting in, and another little eye right here. Now we're going to add a little circle in both eyes. So we're going to add another little circle connecting right there, and another little circle connecting in there. Now we're gonna do a little beak for his nose. We're gonna do a little beak with a little line in that line. Then we're gonna do few little lines kind of right here, just a few little lines, then right there, connecting in right there. Then I guess we'll do some little lines right there. Then right here we'll do one little curve, another little curve, and another little connecting in right there. Now we'll do her legs. We'll do a little line, another little line, then one coming up, another coming down, and another one coming up, connecting in, and I'll make that one another one right here. We'll do another one, connecting in, like a little upside down St. Patrick's Day. A little upside down St. Patrick's Day, but a foot. So now I'm gonna color mine, and you can do yours in different color, or you can copy mine. And then I'll add a little color to the one right there, and I feel like I'm missing something, but maybe I'm not. Maybe it's just me thinking I am, but I'm not. No, I'm not. I don't think I am. Another thing. Let's see. Yeah, those are just little lines. We'll get them little lines. Little ones. And we can do those. What color? Looks like purple. Okay. I did not look the drawing before doing it, but this is Opila the bird. I think I'm saying that right. The bird one. I haven't done all of them yet from Garden of Banban, but I need to catch up.